In this video, I'm going to be trying Shopify dropshipping for 1 week and taking a brand new store from $0 to over $100 profit. And I'm going to be going completely from start to finish. I'm going to be doing product research, building the website, running ads on the product, and show you guys all the results all live in this video, so make sure you stay tuned. And instead of just normal dropshipping on Facebook ads and Instagram ads, I'm going to be trying something a little new and turning this more into a branded dropshipping store, making more branded videos on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. And I've seen some amazing results from people doing branded dropshipping on TikTok with little to no upfront cost. So the first step in this process is doing product research. This is probably the point where people struggle the most, including me, because you need to find a winning product, and at the same time you want to make sure it's not oversaturated or overused so you can still get some good sales. And there's multiple ways that you can do product research, whether you're just blindly searching through AliExpress, watching YouTube videos, or use dropshipping software, which can get pretty expensive. But in this video, we're going to be sticking to the free methods. And since I'm going to be using platforms like TikTok to promote the product, there really isn't a better place to look for products than TikTok itself. So I'm going to go on to TikTok and kind of scroll through some hashtags like hashtag free shipping, hashtag buy it now, and hashtag on sale. So hopefully I can find some branded dropshipping people that are selling products under these hashtags, and it'll be a lot easier for me to find a product. As well as I'm obviously going to be looking through AliExpress and try to find something through there. So I'm going to go do some product research, leave this on a time lapse, and I'll get back to you guys once I'm done. Okay guys, so after scrolling on TikTok and looking at AliExpress for like 30 minutes or so, I came across this 3-in-1 lens adapter for your phone that kind of gives you 3 different configurations to change the way your lens looks on your camera, and it's super unused and undersaturated. I couldn't find it anywhere. I was looking on TikTok, I didn't really find it, but I found it on AliExpress, and it looks like it could be a really good winner. Now usually I wouldn't sell something like this because it's not really something that I would think would be majorly used by a ton of people, but since we're going to be using TikTok to promote it, the main purpose of TikTok is to use your camera, and while this could be a major W, because people are going to want their cameras on TikTok to look a little different, and if I can sell this the right way in my videos, it's going to look really good. So as you guys can see down here, it says estimated delivery on June 4th, which isn't really that bad for drop shipping, but it is over a month away. So being that it's a whole month away and we have a 1-week challenge, I'm going to go ahead and look on Amazon and see if we can get lucky and find the exact same product on Amazon, hopefully for a little more money, so I can get it in a couple days with that Prime shipping, and I'll be able to film some TikToks with it and show it off as more of a brand. Okay guys, so we just got super lucky. As you can see, I found literally the exact same thing. It's the exact same product, same brand, same everything. Everything is the exact same as the one from AliExpress, and this one on Amazon will be able to get here by the end of the week. So I'm gonna go ahead and order this right now on Amazon so we can get it as fast as possible, and I'll be able to film some content with it. So it is $6 shipping, and it's gonna cost me $13 to go ahead and get the product this week, but it's for the video, it's for the content, and we gotta make this money. So we're gonna go ahead and place the order and see if we can get it less than this week. So it says estimated delivery on Thursday, so we're going to go ahead and put this challenge on a pause until Thursday, and as soon as I get the product later this week, we're going to go ahead and film some content with it, make some videos, take some pictures for ads, and then we're going to build the website and start promoting it. So I'm going to go ahead and vibe, go take a bike ride, and I'll update you guys as soon as we get the product in the mail later this week. So as you guys can see, we got it. It finally came in the mail. It's been about 2 days, and I tried it out a little bit on my phone, and it works. The product works. It's not as good as you might think it would be. It doesn't work like it's a brand new camera, obviously. So before I do the actual video of showing the TikToks and stuff, right now we're just testing out the lens attachments. And so as you can see, this is the fisheye wide angle lens. I'm just gonna show you guys a different right now. This is before with the wide angle lens, and this is normal iPhone camera because they're selling for $1, or in our case $13, but you know, $1.50 on AliExpress. It's a really good product. I'm gonna go ahead and build the website right now. I'm gonna update you guys as soon as I finish this on Shopify, obviously, and then we're gonna go to the park, film some content for it, and hopefully make some good TikToks that could possibly go viral, and we can make some money from it. Okay guys, so it's been about 2 hours. I kind of ran into a few technical difficulties while making the Shopify store, but we're finally done. It's a super simple store. I just want to get it done as fast as possible, so we're gonna go ahead and walk through on my phone real quick and show you guys what it looks like. So as you guys can see, it's a really simple website, just some pictures on the main page. As soon as you go back to the home page of the website, the first thing you're prompted with with is to buy the product, obviously. So people who go on there from TikTok, they're going to see the pictures, kind of what it does, the video on the phone, you can see it. Then I'm selling it for $6.95. It's a 3-in-1 wide angle lens attachment, and so the product cost is like $1.55 on AliExpress, and it's like $2 shipping. I don't remember what it was, but around $2 shipping. So I'm still going to be making around $3 profit, which is still really good. I'm not trying to make so much, I'm just trying to get sales, not really the profit. But you know, you get like a few different colors: blue, black, silver, red, gold. You can buy with Apple Pay, you can buy with credit card, and then you're going to see some other pictures talking about it, look professional on a budget, and just telling you how it works more in depth, trying to persuade you to buy it. And if the people weren't sold at the front wherever it's telling them to buy it, whenever they see it down here, there's another shop now button, which if they click it, it's going to take them right back to the product page. So then if they don't buy it there, maybe they'll buy it here. And then we have some testimonials of just some reviews I found on AliExpress, people talking about it, and then just that's it, we're done. The website's done. And yeah, well, we're done. I'm gonna go ahead and go to a park, film some content with it wherever it went. I don't actually know where I did with it. Right here. So I'm gonna go to the park, film some content, maybe make some TikToks. I'm gonna come home, edit them, post them on TikTok, and we'll see how many sales we can get. My goal for the day is to get 1 sale, maybe 2 sales. So I'll update you guys, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye. So the fisheye effect is something super cool for TikTok videos, but it's really hard to get with a stock normal iPhone camera, and basically today we're coming to fix that. The VidClip fisheye wide angle lens adapter just clips on the back of your iPhone camera, and it makes it look a whole lot better. So this is what it looks like before the VidClip, and this is what it looks like after. It looks like a big fisheye effect. You can see a big circle running around, and it's way wider than it was before, and it kind of gives you the peephole looking through a peephole effect. So just for other reference, this is before and this is after. And the VidClip also comes with 2 extra lens options. It comes with a carrying case as well, and you can just unscrew the fisheye lens and you get a wide angle lens and a macro lens, which gives it really cool effects and obviously some rubber protection for your lenses. So make sure you guys go pick up your VidClip today, link in bio, and use code FREE for free shipping. Only $7. Do you want your iPhone camera to go from looking like this to looking like this with a crazy peephole effect, or you can get a wide angle lens or macro lens with the VidClip? The VidClip is a fisheye wide angle lens adapter for your iPhone or Android. You also get 2 other lens options and a carrying case. Here's today, link in bio. Okay guys, so it's about 7 p.m. right now, and the TikToks are doing really well. As you can see, we're almost at 2,300 followers, almost at 20,000 likes, and one of our videos is at 56,000 views, and our other one is almost 13,000 views. So yeah, the videos are doing really well on TikTok, but you want to know what else is doing really well? My bank account. That's right, we have $32 in sales on Shopify because someone came in and bought like 2 things from 1 order. And we had 1 order before for about $7 plus the $3 shipping, so that's already $10 from an order, and someone else ordered 2 products, so already $14 in just product sales and $3 shipping. So 17 plus 10 is 27, but we also have sales tax, so that's how the $32 came to be, and we only have 380 store sessions, so that's doing really well. Hopefully I could post more TikToks tonight. I've been really lazy and doing a lot of schoolwork right now, so I haven't had time to film any other content, but as of right now, we're easily gonna hit the threshold in this challenge by the end of this week. What's going on, guys? So it's been about 2 or 3 days since I filmed the last clip, and today was gonna be the day where I went completely ham on content, posted like 10 videos on TikTok, tried to get at least like another $100 in sales. But I woke up this morning to a peaceful surprise to find out that my TikTok account got disabled. Now I don't know why it got disabled, probably because it looked like spam and the videos weren't super high quality, and it kind of just looked like a scam dropshipping store, because I did kind of rush it to get the challenge done within a week. And yes, I can appeal the TikTok account and I'll probably get it back, but I looked on Google and a bunch of people were saying that it took them about 2 to 3 weeks to get their TikTok account back. Now since this was supposed to be a 1-week challenge and a 1-week challenge only, we're not going to do that. We're just going to take the sales that we have so far and just keep running from there. And maybe in the future go back and try to use the same store and same product for Facebook ads, maybe Instagram ads, and maybe milk it a little more. But we're going to go ahead and look at my Shopify sales right now and we'll see the results. Okay, so as you guys can see, if we go ahead and pull up my Shopify analytics here, we have $71.40 in orders, coming out to 6 total orders, and yeah, $71 in a week isn't really that bad. I was honestly expecting to get maybe $20 in sales, but there was multiple people actually who ordered more than just 1. Some people ordered 2 items, and they did pay for the premium shipping plan, so they're just going to pay a little more for shipping because they can get it a little faster. So our entire goal for this challenge was to hit $100 profit, which obviously we didn't hit. I think this is around $50 profit. It's still a pretty good amount of profit for 1 week, but I really do think we would have been able to hit $100 profit if the TikTok account didn't get disabled and we were still able to post videos, because one of our videos was running up on 100,000 views and the other one had almost 20,000 views. But I'm definitely going to be trying this again soon, because as you can see, dropshipping does really work in 2021. So make sure you guys stay tuned, subscribe and like if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.